So the last part of Philip's hike is he talks about how to prevent heat exhaustion. So we learned about his symptoms, his signs, environmental signs, physical signs, and then how to treat it. And now we're going to learn how to prevent it so that hopefully we don't get in those situations. So the best way to prevent heat exhaustion is to pre-hydrate before a hike and to drink plenty of fluids in hot weather. Rather than drinking a lot of water at once, it's best to drink a few sips very frequently. During periods of intense exertion, such as hiking up a steep trail in hot and humid weather, your body can lose 1 quart of perspiration per hour. Hike early in the day and seek routes that are well shaded from direct sunlight between the hours of 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. It'll still be hot in the late afternoon, but less hot than during midday. Wear loose-fitting, lightweight, and lightly colored clothing that doesn't hold in the heat and helps your body cool properly by sweat evaporation. Eat salty foods such as chips or nuts to replace electrolytes that can be lost by sweating. Electrolyte drinks can also be helpful. Like some of y'all drink Gatorade, but Gatorade has a lot of sugar, so I always promote Pedialyte. Wear a wide-brimmed hat or carry a trekking umbrella to help avoid sunburn. Sunburn makes it harder for your body to cool itself. Cover up with light, loose clothing and wear sunscreen. Scale back the distance and elevation gain you tackle on hot days. Take longer breaks and drink plenty of fluids while resting. And lastly, monitor your urine. If you're properly hydrated, you should be peeing frequently and your urine should be clear. If your urine is darker yellow, you need to drink more. Thought to ponder. Have you ever experienced heat exhaustion?